Good people, it's your boy Trill. Another day in higher gardening, higher learning. And today I'm going to finally be harvesting my sweet potatoes. It took a while and a long time for the leaves to turn yellow. It took longer than the 6 months that I looked up to see that it would take for them to harvest and leaves to turn yellow. It is now December. I put this down April, maybe Mayish, which sounds about right with the timing, but as far as what I was seeing and looked up, it wasn't matching, so I just took a long time. I'm gonna show you now the leaves. Pretty brown, pretty dead, so I'm hoping I get something decent out of it. So we're gonna take a look and see. Set that thing on. Yeah, you are. Goddamn colors. Like I was saying, this is the main potato that I had. Definitely flattened out, but this is the main valve that I'll call it. See, sprouted out babies, still going, and this is where the vine flowed from. Not done with all the rest of them yet. We're gonna see what else we got. Very good harvest, very good harvest. I'm very proud and excited. Another good valve. Gold. 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 More gold. Man, this is dope. Gold. More gold. Baby. Gold. Just feel through the rest. Roots are very healthy. And like the rest of my pots, I fed it the Miracle Grow organic plant food once a month. At first it had the regular fertilizer, so I changed it. Still plan on using the plant fertilizer when it gets back warm, or with whatever I plant in the winter, with whatever I can find to plant in the winter. Another good little valve. Another one, small baby. Contents of the soil is good. I believe that's it. I was doing that for the dirt, but clapping for God, from a harvest, and a little bit for myself. So, again, this is the main valve from whence the long ass vine come from. And from that came good harvest. This is the biggest one. I was really just more so concerned about how they would look and if they would be edible. But now that I can see that they look good and edible, things are going and looking up and higher than ever before. It's your boy Trill. Remember, peace, not apart, but together. It's a lovely day. It's wind blowing, but you know, gotta go with the wind. Turn on.